video is not sponsored. It's just the real deal with the Scrub Daddy. If you have seen this product, it was on Shark Tank. It was originally made for use by mechanics, but the mechanic's wife figured out you could do a ton of stuff around the house. I want to show you all of the best ways to use Scrub Daddy that are easy, affordable. These are hacks I bet you haven't seen. You keep track. Let's jump into it.
And we've got lots of Dollar Tree ideas.
In fact, did you know Dollar Tree carries a Scrub Daddy dupe? In this video though, I'm gonna be using the original for lots of reasons you'll see soon. Alright, so here's the basics. I'm sure you know by now these clean pans without scratching and nooks and crannies really easily. But what you might not know is you can actually stick these into the bottom of your sink and the water's gonna run through it. This is the perfect way to prep your meals or peel vegetables. I love that these are durable and non-scratching, and even more that I can wash them once a week in my dishwasher and use again and again. And here's the first mind-blowing hack. Damp Duster is also made by Scrub Daddy. This is a baseboard cleaner that will blow your mind. There's a reason it has almost 20,000 reviews and 5-star ratings. No product needed. Just get this damp with water to run along your baseboard. I'm gonna link this right on screen for you. This is my #1 pick for 2023. Y'all, it's $3.99. This is for anybody. And if you've got a frown, let's turn it upside down. Let's normalize normal bathrooms. You know, the ones that aren't Instagram worthy? It's probably way smaller than you actually want. You still deserve to have a space that's clean, and you deserve to make it easy. A favorite Dollar Tree product is their scrub-free glass cleaner. And did you know that you can use Scrub Daddies right on your glass surfaces? Buff out with a rag. You don't have to have a lot to have it go a long way. This is just basic dish soap and a Scrub Daddy, and I was able to do this in under 3 minutes. And did you know Scrub Daddy Power Paste is incredible in your shower? I just put a little bit of this right on my Scrub Daddy. I color code them so I don't mix them up in different environments in my home, and it makes cleaning a breeze and actually fun. And you know what? I see you. Maybe you've got that dingy spot of your house that is really stained, waterlogged, whatever it is, and you want the perfect hack with a Scrub Daddy to get it clean. And here's my hack. You should do absolutely nothing. Cut your losses, get some vinyl from the Dollar Tree, get some baskets in a color that you like, and find a system that works for you. More than anything, I want you to win. So however that looks, whatever small thing you need to do, you don't have to have the perfect space to make it happen. And if you want to cut your spending in half, get the pink stuff. This is really great on shower doors. Power Paste is awesome like I showed, but that's $9.99. This is just $5.97. I buff it into my shower doors to take off all of those hard water stains. Does it work? Does it work? I think the before and after is crazy because look, you can't even see the door. It's like invisible. But whichever you choose, Power Paste or the pink stuff, I absolutely love it. I tend to go for the Power Paste in my kitchen sink. You guys know how big I am on having a clean kitchen sink at the end of the day. But my super secret is a glass cleaning rag. Check this out. You can find this at the Dollar Tree. I just wash my kitchen counters with soap and then I polish them out. The key is not to have any standing water and you won't have any streaks. Also, if you want to store your Scrub Daddies, you can buy these handy dandy little storage totes, or you can get them from the Dollar Tree. The sponge holders work just as well and they're like 1/7 of the price. And if you try nothing else from this video, I want you to try this. Every Scrub Daddy needs a Scrub Mommy. She's got a little softer side to her. This is the best fabric cleaner I have ever tried, and I am not sponsored. Folex, you may remember I freaked out about this over the holidays, but any upholstery, it's all natural. You don't have to rinse it off, and it gets up every single stain. This stuff is bomb and perfectly pairs with the Scrub Daddy. I'll link it on screen for you. You're welcome. And while you're out there getting organized from the Dollar Tree this year, you know those stickers, the residue that gets left behind? The Scrub Mommy and really Scrub Daddy take these off perfectly. Give this one a try. Also, Scrub Daddy came out with the Big Daddy. Now this you can take outside and use on your grill. I actually wish I would have cut mine in half before doing this. I think they'll last longer, but I really liked this product. And maybe you're too cheap to buy that. I feel that. Take the old Scrub Daddies that you use in your kitchen you're about to throw away. These are perfect for all of those garage uses. I especially love them to clean my tires. And new product alert, you read the comments, friends, because I promise you this community leaves the smartest comments on the internet. Have you tried eraser daddies? I really like these. They're stronger than the Dollar Tree Magic Erasers, especially because of the sponge on the back. They're easy to rinse off for all of those really tough cleaning projects that you would typically need soap and water for. My favorite place to use these are on doorways, thresholds, especially white painted items. It does a great job. How many of these hacks did you know? If nobody has told you today, you are enough, and I mean it.